Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. This is crucial to avoid any risk of injury or electrical shock. Open the printer's front cover. This will provide access to the toner cartridges and the waste toner tank. Find the waste toner tank. It's usually a small compartment located behind the toner cartridges. Carefully remove the waste toner tank and of it according to clean it. Install the waste toner tank into the designated compartment. Following video instructions. Reinstall toner cartridge. Close the printer's front cover securely. Plug the printer back in and turn it on. The printer should automatically detect the waste toner tank and be ready to use.